how to mute vibration, notification sounds, and alert for all apps except for phone calls on iPhone. Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, go ahead and open Settings application in your mobile device. Once you open it up, scroll below and then tap on Focus. Now inside Focus, go ahead and tap on Do Not Disturb and make sure it is toggled on. Now, once it is toggled on, simply tap on People, and once you're inside here, under Phone Calls, tap on Allow Calls From and simply tap on Everybody. Once you do that, you'll be able to receive calls from everybody even if you're on Do Not Disturb mode. But if you want phone calls from the people that are from your contacts, simply tap on Allow Calls From and then select Contacts Only. And with that, you'll be able to mute vibration, notification sounds, and alert for all the apps except for phone calls on iPhone. And that is how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned until our next upload.